To transfer cryptocurrency from Robinhood to a wallet. The process is straightforward and quick. Start by opening the wallet where you want to receive the funds, ensuring it is compatible with the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Open the wallet. Click on the search bar and search for the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive, in this case, Bitcoin. Select the Bitcoin option. Then click on the Receive button to obtain the cryptocurrency address. Copy this address. Next, open the Robinhood app. Navigate to the Crypto tab and view the cryptocurrencies you hold under the Holdings tab. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, in this example, Bitcoin. Scroll down and click on the Send button. Then enter the amount you want to transfer and click Continue. Choose the Enter Manually option and paste the wallet address you copied earlier. Click Review. Verify the details, including the wallet address and amount, and then click Transfer. Once complete, the cryptocurrency will be transferred from Robinhood to your selected wallet.